7:10 in the morning.
Hello, doggo.
And the plan for today is something slightly different for a normal moto vlog, and that is mustering sheep. Sheep are intensely stupid animals. And I'm just doing this intro bit now because I'll be doing it with Gus and Case later, and they're a little camera shy. Yeah, so not the most experienced dirt bike rider. Haven't done the most mustering, so this should be interesting.
G'day. Oh.
You got your new handlebar on?
Yep. So still oh, that's a bit slippy. Oh. Did it the other way round.
You alright?
Yeah. Ah. Yeah, be careful. Oh, look at doggo. And away we go. So Gus over there was saying us and the buggies is gonna go to the top side of the paddock, and the horses will do the more mucky stuff. Look at the black sheep. But your family's disappointed about you. Oh, it's delightfully cool before that sun comes out. It's a big old paddock to muster.
How do you got it on top?
Yeah, I'll do the top. I'll try and get them down to you. Like how confident I sound. Try. I'll do my best. Yeah, that used to be a sheep. Oh, this is going to be challenging. I'll go across that side. Just got to keep an eye out for any that have gone up behind me. Yeah, we're good. They're all over this side down by the gully. I'm just pushing them along. Say again, sorry?
They were really good looking, that timber and up above the dam there. Sometimes they get up in that corner.
Yeah, I just flushed a bunch out. I'm thinking it'd be best to go back and check the high side further back. Right up in here. That looks like we're good. Okay, back down to flat land. Here are the missing ones in the scrub. missing. Yeah, we haven't counted him. Would have missed these. Oh. Second tip over. Keep doing that when I lose momentum. Ooh, I'm sweating like an insert inappropriate person in an inappropriate place here. All right, they're moving now, but they're on the left side of the dam. Do you want me to push them back to the right side of it?
No, they've got to come back on this side.
Oh, I've got to check that high side now, don't I? That looks fucked. You can do that. Nah, there was some up in here, but nothing up there. He's got so minimal commands to the dogs, they just know what to do. Watch them dump themselves, some more cooling. They just go put their bottom end in. Dip and drink. Yeah, I just tipped over. I tried to put my... Yeah, I went... Oh. The dogs make this so much more effective. If you don't have good dogs, you're doing all that business on foot or on horseback or on motorbikes. Quick, somebody get over there. They're braking the wrong way. And as you can imagine, that dog just went...
Side of it.
Yep.
Just push them all down to the fence.
Rightio. It's got to hit some of these rocks, but if I'm standing, it's a little bit more manageable. That lot more manageable.
How many
357. I've got no idea. All right, tell us, how many is it?
57 years isn't far from being right. I think it's meant to be 349.
Call me Rain Man. Get across along this precarious little path.
Shall we begin?
Well, that sun's got some bite in it now.
Let's begin.
Everyone just going along the fence through that gate. There's just two lambs on the other side here. We might just see if we can't get them down through the open gate.
Sure. So should I go open that second gate?
This is not a drill.
Repeat,
Yep.
this is not a drill.
I was gonna do that anyway. You always have to open gates away from sheep if you're able to, if there is a choice, because they're stupid and they jam up in this side of it.
Is that all you got?
We want to do this just in case they get confuzzled and try and go through the grid, they'll all break their legs. We don't want breaky leggy, because these are for suets. We want the suets wool. Suets wool needs to be good wool. Good wool comes from happy sheep. Look at the little walking suets wool. Yeah, I'd like this grass too, it's pretty green. That back gate's open. Hello, Doggo. Got to ask how we ended up with 2 black sheep. Not sure if a black sheep snuck in and fucked them, or if they've just got some sort of hidden black sheep gene, or how do we end up with 2 black ones?
It happens. Just like in humans, ginger head or olive skin, or just a genetic thing.
That one's got a dangleberry.